Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to send USDT from KuCoin in 2025. Whether you're new to crypto or just need a quick refresh, this step-by-step guide will have you transferring your Tether tokens like a pro. USDT is a stablecoin that's pegged to the US dollar, making it a favorite for fast and secure transactions. So, let's dive in and make this process as smooth as possible. First things first, make sure you're logged into your KuCoin account. If you don't have one, head over to the KuCoin website and sign up. It's quick and free. Once you're in, navigate to the Assets or Wallet section. This is where you'll see all your cryptocurrencies listed. Look for USDT in your portfolio. If it's not there, you might need to deposit it first. Now, click on USDT to open its details. You'll see an option like Withdraw or Send. Select that, and you'll be prompted to enter the recipient's wallet address. Double-check this address. Crypto transactions are irreversible, so accuracy is key. Next, input the amount you want to send. Remember, KuCoin might charge a small network fee, so keep an eye on that to avoid surprises. After entering the details, review everything on the confirmation page. This includes the amount, fees, and destination address. If all looks good, hit Confirm and wait for the transaction to process. Depending on the network, this could take a few minutes to an hour. A quick word of advice: always enable two-factor authentication on your KuCoin account for added security. And if you're sending to another exchange, ensure the address supports the correct network, like Tron or Ethereum for USDT. There you have it. That's how you send USDT from KuCoin in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe out there in the crypto world.